Hi, this is Eric with Auto Advantage in Escondido, California, with a quick walk around video of our 2016 Nissan Frontier. So let's get started. The truck has currently 125,000 miles. It's got all your basic options: power windows, locks, mirrors, Bluetooth, volume controls, cruise control, CD player. It's got the two 12-volt outlets, two glove boxes, center console storage with auxiliary and USB with a third 12-volt outlet. It's a nice kind of orange red metallic color. Goodyear tires, plenty of tread. I'd say probably 80% or more tread. They're fairly new. It's equipped with the 4-liter V6 engine. You can expect to get low 20s on the highway, so it's decent gas mileage and pretty good power as well. Front fog lights. Overall, truck's clean. Some small areas that were previously touched up. Small scratch there, but overall very clean vehicle. It's the crew cab. These seats do fold up for storage. You got room in the back for 3 people, 2 in the front. Rear cup holders. Sliding rear window. It's the Desert Runner package, which is an appearance package, kind of similar to a TRD off-road in the Toyota version. So bigger wheels and tires. Truck sits up a little bit higher, looks kind of like a 4-wheel drive. Locking tailgate, bedliner, sliding rear window. Does have a tow package with a trailer hookup. Shocks. Sorry, there's a hookup right there. Inside's very clean. No rips or tears in the upholstery. Headliner's in good condition. So all in all, it's a clean truck. Got a button for the turn on the cargo lamp. It is missing the little storage area here, like for sunglasses, but other than that, I'd say there's no other damage on the interior. You can reach us at 760-280-7648, call or text, or visit ibuycleancars.com. Check out our excellent Yelp reviews from our customers. We do take trades. Financing is available for all types of credit. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.